Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fiticus Homeopathy. Coming to what precautions should you be taking if you're suffering from all of this as well as mood changes. First thing is sleep. Remember, if you're having a good amount of sleep, if you're having good sleep, then you will be able to handle that depression or that anxiety or that panic attacks much better than people who don't sleep well. 10 to 1 is a time where your hormone repair can happen. It's a time where it is called hormonal repair time, where your hormone fluctuation can be monitored properly by the body. So try to sleep in between this period, which is 4-10 o'clock, and wake up at around 6 or 7. And try to expose yourself to direct sun for vitamin D, especially in the morning hours or in the evening hours. See, we have observed, especially people who are coming to Fiticus Homeopathy, we have observed that there is a link between low vitamin D for a longer period of time and female reproductive organ diseases. So try to maintain the good vitamin D, levels in your body. Apart from that, lifestyle changes where your sleeping is proper, where the food intake is proper, you're avoiding red meat, you're avoiding phytoestrogens like soya products, you're eating good, you're eating enough of fiber, protein and complex carbohydrates, you're sleeping and you're working out well, you're doing meditation, you're doing your breathing exercises, you're doing something that makes you happy at least 1 hour, you have decreased your screen time. All of this can coordinatively give you better outcome and it will give you a healthier lifestyle. Then coming to neglect, if you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, do not neglect them, as they can make or they can cause a turmoil in your mental condition. Apart from causing a turmoil in the mental condition, the fibroids can become larger, the polycystic ovary disease can become, sometimes it can turn or have other diseases associated with it, like you can have fibroids, bulky uterus, PCOS, fibroids, bulky uterus, endometriosis. So it gets complicated and there is nothing we can do. And estrogen dominance or this hormone fluctuations will take a toll not only on our mental symptoms but also on your physical appearance also. So try to take doctor consultation as soon as possible. If you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases and also there is any fluctuation in your mood, if you're suffering from depression, if you're suffering from anxiety, panic attacks due to these female reproductive organ diseases, you can contact Fiticus Homeopathy, which is best, and we have good success rate here. Here we have two kinds of consultation options, online and offline. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fiticus, you can come and visit us offline. And if you're someone who's staying far away from us, there are two options for you, which is audio consultation option and video consultation option. And after the doctor consultation has happened, we'll ask you for investigations. If you have already done all of the investigations, you can share it with us. And after the whole process is done, especially for online clients, the medicines will be delivered to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days, apart anywhere in the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to contact Fiticus Homeopathy, you can call us, WhatsApp us or messages on this number. And if you want to know more about Fiticus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fiticus.com. If you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive diseases along with mental illnesses, you can contact Fiticus Homeopathy. We have seen how homeopathy is much superior to allopathy or conventional form of treatment, and right now we are going to discuss about how Fiticus Homeopathy is top-notch compared to other homeopathic hospitals or clinics. Remember, Fiticus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have high success rate, that is, we are already treating cases which have this mental illnesses connected to their female reproductive organ diseases, and also we are having good success rate in them. And the transparent treatment method, which is there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we try to explain it to you in clear about your prognosis. And the personal care here at Fiticus Homeopathy is top notch. We will answer all of your questions. We will, break down to you how your condition is, how your prognosis is, what should you be doing, what should you be eating, how much sleep cycle you should be having, and all of this other stuff. So if you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, choose Fiticus Homeopathy. Thank you.